morning, wonderful educators. Welcome back to Education Espresso, the podcast that fuels your teaching journey with a shot of inspiration. I'm Ahmed Yusuf, your host, and here to brighten your day with another mind-stimulating episode. Today, we are delving into the captivating world of visuals in class discussions. Get ready to unlock the power of images and dive into a warm-up activity that will have your students buzzing with excitement. So grab your cup of curiosity and let's get brewing. Did you know that visuals play a crucial role in the learning experience of most students? In a pilot study entitled Importance of Visuals in Class Discussions, the author revealed some fascinating insights. Almost all students in the study identified themselves as visual learners. They expressed that discussions become more engaging and effective when visuals are involved. And you know what students find highly stimulating? Visuals that are funny and interesting. They are the ultimate conversation starters. Not only that, but students also expect visuals to be relevant to their everyday lives and linked to current events. Now, prepare yourself because we're about to start a new warm-up activity that revolves around using visuals as conversation catalysts. Stay tuned. Alright, educators, get your creative gears turning. Today's warm-up activity is all about tapping into the power of images to unlock memories and reveal the essence of your students' personalities and lives. Whether you have a small or large class, this activity is a fantastic way to foster discussion and gain deeper insights into your students. Here is how it works. You will display different images to your students, and their task is to quickly associate the image with a memory or value from their own lives. The catch is, they are not allowed to describe the image itself. Instead, they will share the associations that spring to mind. For example, let's say you show them an image of a teddy bear. They might respond with answers like,
"Well, seeing it reminds me of times when I've turned to something for comfort during tough moments."
or,
Okay, I had a teddy bear just like this when I was little. It brings back so many memories.
You see, it's all about exploring personal connections and sparking meaningful conversations. You can also show them an image of a boat in the middle of a lake and expect answers like,
"It's like leaving behind the constraints of daily life and venturing into the unknown."
or,
"The boat in the middle of the lake represents a sense of escape and freedom."
Now, a couple of things to keep in mind to ensure a smooth and inclusive experience. First, steer clear of graphic images. That may trigger negative or extreme memories or meanings. We want to keep the atmosphere positive and uplifting. Secondly, to promote inclusivity, avoid using images that may lead to discussions about controversial topics like politics or religion. Let's keep the focus on personal experiences and values that unite us all. And don't forget, for visually impaired students, explore suitable technologies that can provide image descriptions to ensure everyone can participate fully. Thank you for joining me on today's caffeinated journey through the world of visuals in class discussions. I hope you are feeling energized and ready to inspire your students with this fantastic warm-up activity. To access additional resources and so many images that you can use in the class, visit our website educationespresso.net. And if you have an innovative warm-up activity idea or want to be a guest on Education Espresso podcast, do not hesitate to reach out. Your ideas and experiences are invaluable to us. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review on your favorite platform. Your feedback powers our passion for creating valuable content. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and never forget to sip on your daily shot of Education Espresso. This is Ahmed Yusuf signing off with a reminder to visualize your success. Cheers to the power of education and the remarkable impact you make as an educator.